So what do you do? Do you have problem with insects, Wachira?
Somehow,
With
yes.
pests?
Somehow, yes, we have the pests, but we do control with the rabbit urine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Plus there are some like the name, we make them the Mexican gourd. This one. Come and see. Oh, this one, yes. This one I know. This is very good for. These are the medicine we use. You know it. This one.
No.
Smell, don't eat.
No, I don't know this one.
You don't have it. This one
Well,
is very good
for
driving away insects.
is it,
It is a weed.
marigold?
It is yes.
Marigold?
It's marigold, yes.
Yes,
This marigold, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can see that one. We keep them. We take this one plus the name. We mix it. We boil it. It stays there for 7 days, and then we can spray everything. Otherwise, if it is not controlled by that one, we take the rabbit urine, then we spray. We mix it and we spray our vegetables.
And that keeps insects away?
Yes, that keeps the insects away. Yeah, this is my farm. Let's go.